In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form in Google Sheets. Stop manually entering data. I'll show you how to build a form right from your spreadsheet so responses organize themselves the moment they come in. Start in the Google Sheet where you want the data to land. From the top menu, open Tools and choose Create a New Form. The moment you click it, Google opens a brand new form that's already linked to this exact spreadsheet. You don't have to connect anything manually or worry about where the answers go. The link is automatic and ready to use. Now it's time to design your form by adding questions. You can pick from multiple choice, drop-downs, or short answers. Think about the type of data you want to collect as you choose. Multiple choice works well for a few clear options and helps keep data consistent. Drop-downs are great when you have many options and want a clean, compact list. Short answer is best for names, brief descriptions, or numbers that vary. As you write each question, keep the wording clear and concise. That's important because every question you add becomes a column header back in your sheet. Descriptive titles make your spreadsheet easier to read later. If certain fields are essential, mark them as required so you don't get incomplete submissions. Take a moment to check spelling and formatting because clean questions lead to clean data. When you're done adding questions, switch back to your spreadsheet. You'll see a new tab called Form Responses. This tab is created automatically the first time you connect a form, and it's where all the answers will appear. Each time someone hits Submit, their responses show up here in real time. Every submission becomes a new row, and each column lines up with the questions you created. You'll typically see a timestamp column first, so you know exactly when each response was recorded. A quick tip: avoid editing or deleting the column headers in the Form Responses tab, since they're tied directly to your form questions. If you later update a question's text in the form, the sheet will reflect that change. Planning your question titles up front helps keep everything consistent over time. And that's it. You created a form from inside your sheet, designed your questions, and now responses will flow straight into a structured table without any manual entry. Simple, fast, and organized. Exactly how data collection should be. Spaß key.